The lazy b****. Remember guys, safety first.
We had diggers there. There were a digger, and there were about six people there.
Yeah.
And not one of them had brains to push them in with a load of bucket.
Yeah.
I was laughing even more because we got post enough that would fit on that digger.
Boat's steady now.
Again?
I don't know. Yeah, it's a fair way I think. It's close now. Well, it might be. Might want guiding on now.
That's it. That's it. Look at that. I think we did it before.
I've got that door back on. Calves, or Effa's inside had pushed it off runner at the top. We managed to get it back on. Oh, what a lovely morning. Hello you lot. Now then, hey, now then. Got some bit of silage this morning. Get you sorted in 5 minutes. Like peeling an orange. Come on you lot, come on. Come on. Steady, come on. Come on, down here and we'll get you some breakfast. Come on. Go on your way. Shoo, 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 shoo. Get these guys scraped out this morning. Put a little bit of fresh silage in. Springing heifers. We like to keep them on cubicles. They do a little bit of training on cubicles, and then when they go down to join the main herd, they're already trained. Thankfully we've got none that are legging it muck. So anyway, we'll get them cleaned out. Door slide's a bit better now. It's come off runner at the top. What we're going to do, we'll put a bracket on here. I'll try and do it later on. There's always something to mend. But it's a lot better morning. With no storm, with no wind. God, it's lovely this morning. No coat either. When I lose my hat, it's definitely spring. Can you cut all the strings on the round bale in one cut? Let's have a go. One cut, one slice, all 6 strings. There we go, 6 strings all in one go. Yes, boy! So as we found, we have that much rubbish and plastic rubbish like everybody else. Baby calves, they get bloody everywhere. What are you doing in there? Come on, come on, out, come on. Come on, you shouldn't be in there, come on. Come on, you've got in, now we've got... Come on. Go on, follow your mate. Go on. Go on. Right, that'll stop them climbing into the trough. Behave yourselves. Be good. More rubbish. What to do with this? What can you do with it? We'll put it in the recycle pile. That's all we can do. Just look at this. Fly tipping right in our gateway as well. Wasn't so bad, but there's a council tip less than a mile away. Yeah, council tips literally less than a mile away. The lazy I've got no sympathy with them at all. Right, bit of angle line to cut to fix that door. Right, let's cut this. Right, that'll do. 2 pieces should be enough. We'll take a longer one. If we need a longer one, we have some spare. Oh, remember guys, safety first. That's door fixed. That'll stop them pushing it off. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Bit of a short one this time. Just a general blog video. Once again, I appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for being very supportive. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.